started talking in that thing.
YouTube, welcome back with another video. Today's video, we're going to a car show. Got my car out, got my dog Clay car out. He got this nice BMW Z3, and then we got Ryan the Stang Mobile. Y'all say hello to Ryan, Sierra. This is the first time seeing Sierra. Ryan right there. So now we finna cruise on the way to go to a car show. We're going to a car show. Just put gas in the car. And we finna head out. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we gonna make a movie tonight. We going to a car show. It's at Tradesman Brewery. See what kind of cars there are. I just got off work. The car's out tonight. Y'all thought the other car show been something? Nah, this it right here. Look at this old school Beamer right there. That's nice too. That's nice, man. I like that. Nice. Gang all made it all in one piece.
Look, there he comes.
And he came right back. Bike out. Hey, I gotta keep the content rolling. It's Tradesman Brewing. It's right over here. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. You don't know what's gonna happen out here. They said there was no more parking, so we parked along the street right there. But some of the special cars will be able to get in. I'm gonna get some drone content too. Y'all wait. Yeah, I'm pulling up. Yeah, they definitely got them out. The carbon fiber.
Oh my god. That's giving.
Got the GTR right there. So you brought the hot rod out there too. I like that, man. That's nice.
Got the old school versus the new car.
Yeah, I see that. I see that.
Going on tonight at the
Shout out to him. That's that M5 right there. Bro, I'm sweating so hard. I still got my work clothes. Wow.
You're not signing up with me today. You can sign up across the way. Registration was shit. They'll take care of you.
How do you doing?
Cat out too.
Oh, I like that sticker.
I want somebody to tell me what the best thing on the menu is. If you're eating out here tonight, make sure you come up and tell me what the
That's goals right there. One of these days, got the old school too, and they got all the bikes and everything right there too. Got the Cadillac.
Make sure you follow Interstate Production.
That Scatty Patty.
Yeah, like that.
Wow. Full-time real estate guy. Shout out to him. You know what that is. That's what I'm about to get next. Something supercharged. Got the supercharged Audi right there. That's fine.
I like that.
I do too. I'm gonna get that when I get mine supercharged. Shout out to this guy with this one. That's S5. That's nice. Got the old school right there. Aston Martin. Wow. 2 man. Hey. The Supra, got the ZL1.
Modern nonsense. We gotta keep it classic. If it isn't broke, don't fix it.
You got the M Technic shit.
Yeah. And I see this, I saw that.
Car community in Charleston.
So I wonder if this car actually came like this.
This reminds me of a skating rink. Or is that a skating rink with the bright colors?
We've got food, we've got cold beer.
No, I'm trying to.
For sure. Look at that. With that's the peanut butter seats. Wow. Look at the drag radios on this. This is a drag car. See the tires on them? Big things right there. Oh, they even got NOS in there too? And a roll cage? Yeah, this is a track car for sure. This is a Nova. It's a Nova. Yeah, that's a track car for sure. That is nice. That is nice right there. How much you think this costs?
You know, I don't know.
Ryan, what do you say?
I don't don't know money.
I don't know money.
100,000.
And look a little long. Look at the seats. Look at the carbon free brake on there. You see that?
It costs extra to look like a spaceship.
Right. Yeah, it does. It honestly
I
does.
don't know what their house look like. What job they have.
The same thing I be wondering.
Your friend.
What do they really do?
Is that really
How do they get the money? I think this is a S6. That's what I want to say. And I know my Audis now. More Audis. You got an S5 right there. A Volkswagen Golf right there.
Look at the color.
We're going too fast. We got to come back to that side. We got to come back. Man, look at that Supra's nice too. And then you got this 5.0. Y'all know how we feel about them 5.0s now. Wow. Got another 5.0 right here. I don't even know what that is. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Is that an air intake? I think so. Yeah, it is. That's an air intake. Wow.
Custom built. That's something my dad would do.
Another 5.0.
Okay. That is nice.
That's a 100,000 up Mustang right there. That's
This color looks nice.
I know, that's what I'm
Sit
saying.
on cars.
Yes, you could definitely do that, baby. Got the red insides too. The camel.
Oh, the red.
Got the Cobra. Don't forget the kitty cat sitting there. Y'all just forget the kitty
I
cat.
see the kitty cat. It's the first kitty cat I see. It don't sound like that.
Look at them things on that. Look at the fucking brakes on that. Wow. Got the kitty cat in the cut right there. Posted up with the peanut butter insides. Man, this thing is nice. I would get this and see. I like the Challengers more than Chargers. Challengers look better to me. I would get a Challenger if I get a Hellcat. And like I said, this is the wide body cat too. The wide body cat, not the regular one. Got another 5 over there, another 5.0. Look at the insides, custom done too, with the carbon fiber and everything. Yeah, I think so. Coyotes.
Because that's a Coyote? Or is that a Coyote?
Yeah, it is a Coyote engine. Yeah, yeah. Look at Sierra know about cars.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. See, that's how I knew.
I was looking to see where it was.
Check that girl out. Them things fast too.
It's fucking boosted.
It don't look right on the see.
That should look cool on there too. 5.0, 5.0. Look at it's like a pearl almost. So far it's mostly Stangs. We got mostly Stangs in out here. Mostly Stangs. That's what I've seen the most. Yeah, another 5.0. Like I said, Cobra right there. The AMG nice too. With the Golf right here. That shit nice right there. Got the Duramax. Bro, I need to get them leaving. This car, that's a race car right here. Oh, the Gumball. That's like a racer that race around on different tracks. Lightning McQueen on here.
Classic team.
I like that. Out of all of them, I'd pick this.
She's pretty.
I'd pick this. All of them, I would get the Beamer. Yes, this Beamer right here. I lied to you not. I like SUVs. I don't know. Man, you win. You got my vote. You got my vote. The XM5. It's a bad thing right there.
Soundstripe.
double R's right there. Do the detailing. What network while you're here?
So if you signed up for that, let's go ahead and get queued up.
Bruh.
If you got your fellas on, you ain't right.
Do I even get this privilege of looking at it?
That's what I'm saying. Shout out to them. This is rentals. East Coast. That's a sign I should get that Audi. It's a rental. So they rent this out. That way if I get the Audi, I can rent my out. See? It's a sign. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. Y'all go follow them. They brought the cars out. They got another double R. They got the Hellcat Durango. Don't forget the Durango now. And they got the bag. It's not the regular one at all. Say it's a brewery. They got different kind of beers and everything. Shout out to them for hosting this. Some different kind of beers up there. Yeah, all the beers on draft right there. It's nice, man. They even got somewhere back here to eat. Crazy, man. Even got the food trucks out. This one right here and hot box right there too. So we might get something to eat, we might not. We just seeing what's on the menu. So they're about to do a slow race for all the bikes. They got them all.
Are you ready?
Right there. So you gotta go as slow as you can without putting your feet down. That's the name of it. Somebody else got the drone, but Ryan was worried about me flying mine.
Stop.
Told you.
Classics versus moderns.
3, 2, 1. Slow race. Keep them feet up as slow as you can go. Don't cross the center line. Don't put your feet down.
Where that balance at, modern versus classic. Let's go.
Reese, you can go back over in line. Chris, thank you for participating.
More aerodynamic. Yeah, that's it. Boy, rolling in. Boys done pulled up. They done rolled up.
I feel like we just did something totally wrong there.
Rolling out. That was a nice car show. Got the old school thing, got the M3 right there. They sold out, man. They showing out. It was nice, man. They did their thing. Y'all see that? This thing right here? Shout out to Burr right there. Dang. See, I'm more of a, I told you, a car enthusiast. I don't know too much about the car. But like I said, bro, they still coming. Like I said, the car's out today. I said the car's out last time. Car's out right now. You got an S550 Benz. Paper tags out here right now too, bro. They brought the cars out, man. I try to tell you. And they still pulling up. Look at that Mero right there. We're gonna do a little car review.
Yeah, a lot more.
Little car review, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. We're gonna post all kind of vlog. It don't matter where we want to post.
Yeah, the next video,
Look.
JP's gonna come help me.
Yeah. Check Burr out right there.
Come help me work on my car.
I am.
He's gonna do most of the work.
Oh, I don't know about that. But when I get my car, bro, we're gonna tune it. I'm gonna do all, I forgot to mention, while we were at there, I got a booking for the rental car. That's a sign that I should get that SQ5 and rent it out. That luxury, start my luxuries rentals. Charge more for it.
Work wallet. Dude, honestly, if I pay off the car.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That Rolls Royce out there, that was a rental. That was a rental car that they had.
No, both of those were.
Both. And they had a Hellcat Durango. Better be easy.
We do.
And they have, got to, for sure. You need to tow out, right? He's so low to the ground, he might not need help getting out. You got it? You good?
Good.
All right, man, all right.
Okay.
I can't hit the, go ahead and start that thing up, Ryan. Hold on, I got cars coming. Thank you. Lady, don't run me over. The lady said she ain't gonna run me over. Start that thing up, let that thing talk, Ryan. She cutting up in traffic. Check her out. Right, talking to that thing. That thing rolling. We going on 89 on a. If y'all like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Follow
Exactly,
my other channel, bro.
exactly. Yeah, let them know. Let them know. Like and
Follow,
subscribe. And thanks for watching the videos, y'all. Peace. Peace. Peace, y'all. Soundstripe.